Hello, good morning to all of you. Myself Supriya Praveen from Standard 8. Welcome to our channel Maths Guru. Today I am going to solve exercise 3D of RS Agarwal. If I made any mistake, then please forgive me. So let's start our question. Question is telling that find the square root of each of the following by using the method of prime factorization. Here the number is giving. We have to solve this problem by prime factorization method. So first number 2 to 5. Firstly, we add this number 2 plus 5 is equal to 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. So this all number is divisible by 3. Three 225 is divided by 3 by 75. Again 25 times this will be divided. Then we have to add this number 5 plus 2 is 7. This number is here 25. The number whose unit digit is 0 or 5 is divisible by 5. So here we add this number 5 plus 2 is 7. This is not divisible by 3. That's why we divided it by 5. 5 5 is 25. So first we have to put in a square 225. Three into 3 into 5 into 5. This also put in root. Firstly we put in pair 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So here this will be common, so only we write 1 3, and this will be also common 5 into 5, so also we write here 5, and this root will be removed. 3 5 the first, then we multiply it. 5 3 is 15. This will be the answer of 225. So second question number. So I am going to solve question number 5. I am only solve selected questions.
You can solve other questions.
You can solve other question. If you have any problem, then go in comment section and do comment. Third number question is 2025. Firstly, we also add this number 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5. This will be also 9, and this will be divided by 3 because 9 is divisible by 3. So this all number is divided by 3. So here is 675. This will be also divided by 3 because 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 6 18. This will be 225. This will be also divided by 3 because 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9. 3 7 is 21, 3 5 is 15. This will be also divided by 3 because 7 plus 5 is 12. This will be divided by 25 times, and here firstly I am telling that the number whose digit is 0 5 is divided by 5. So here 5 5 is 25. So we put here 2. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So here this will be they are in pair. So only we write one time 3 here, and here also one time 3, and here also. Then we multiply it. 5 3 the 15, 15 3 the 45. This will be the answer of 5 number. You can solve question number 10 as similarly 1 number and 5th number. I am going to solve question number 12, which is different from other question. 12 number question. 1 7 4 2 4. This will be divided by 2 8 7 1 2. This will be also divided by 2 4 3 5 6. This will be also divided by 2 2 1 7 8. This will be also divided by 2 1 0 8 9. This will be also divided. This will be divided by 3 3 6 3. This will be also divided by 3 1 2 1. And this will be divided by 11. So here we put 1 7 4 2 4 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 11 into 11. Here they are in pair, so only we write one digit here. 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. Then we multiply it, then it's become 132 is the answer. And next question. And question number 13. Find the smallest number by which 252 must be multiplied to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. So firstly we have to find the 252 by a prime factorization method. This will be divided by 2 1 26. This will be also divided by 2 63. This will be divided by 3 3 to the 6 3 1 the 3. This will be also divided by 3 3 7 the 21. Again 7 1 the 7. So here we put they are 2 3, they all are in pair, but 7 is not in pair. So the above the above number must be multiplied by 7 to get a perfect square. Now we multiply 252 into 7. This will be become 1764. So square root of 1764 is equal to here here is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So here they are in pair. So only we write 1 2 here. 2 into 3 into 7. So we multiply it, then it will become 42. It is the answer of 30 number question. So question number, now I am going to explain question number 14. Find the smallest number by which 2925 must be divided to obtain a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square to obtain. So here 2925. We find this number by the prime factorization method. So here 2925. Firstly we add this number 2 plus 9 plus 2 plus 5. We will get 18. So this number is divisible by 3. That's why this, so all number is divisible by 3. So here 9 7 5. Again we add this number 9 plus 7 16 and 16 plus 5 21. This will also divisible by 3. By 3 to 5. So here again we add this number 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10. This is not divisible by 3. That's why we divide by 5. So here because its unit digit is 5. So 5 6 is 30 and 5 5 is 35. Again 5 5 is 25. Again 5 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15. So here 2925 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5 into 30. So firstly here 3 and 5 both are in pair, but 13 is not in pair. So we have to divide it 13 and 2925 to get a perfect square. So here 2925 divided by 13, we will get 2 to 5. So square root of 2 to 5 is 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. So here this both numbers are in pair. So only we write only 5 here and 1 digit 3 is here. So we will get 5 3 is 15. 15 is the answer of 14 number. So I am going to explain 15. So question number 15. 1225 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. Find the number of rows and the number of plants in each row. So 1 2 2 5. So here number of plants equal to number of row equal to x. Let number of plants is equal to number of row equal to x. So here x into x equal to 1 2 2 5. So here x into x multiply, we get x square. So 1, 2, 2, 5. So here x is equal to, we put in 1, 2, 2, 5 in the square root. So here square root of 1, 2, 2, 5 is 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. So here we only write here 1 5 and 1 7. 5 into 7 because they are in pair. We get 35. So here number of row equal to 35 and number of plants equal to 35. So now I am going to explain question number 16. The students of a class arranged a picnic. Each student contributed as many rupees as the number of students in the class. If the total contribution is rupees 1156, find the strength of the class. So total contribution is 1156. So firstly we take 1156 by the prime factorization method. We withdraw it. Then it will be go by 2, by 5, 7, 8 chance. So again it will go with 2, by 2, 8, 9 chance, and here 17 by 17. So therefore number of students 1156. The square root of 1156 is 2 into 2 into 17 into 17. Then we put 2 into 2 and 17 into 17 into pair. We see here both are in pair, so only we write 1 2 here and 1 17 here. So its answer will become 34. 70 to the 34. So question number 17. Find the least square number which is exactly divisible by each of the numbers 6, 9, 15 and 20. So the least number divisible by each one of 6, 9, 15 and 20 and their LCM now LCM of 6, 9, 15 and 20 is, firstly we do the LCM of 6, 9, 15 and 20. Here 2, 2, 3 is 6, 9 will be 9 here and 15 will be 15 here and 2 10s are 20. Here 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, and 10 here. Here 1 3 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 10. So here 2 into 3 into 5 into 3 into 2 equal to, then we multiply it becomes 180. So here we write 180. Then by the prime factorization, then we do the 180 by the prime factorization method. So here 90, here 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. Here 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Here 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Then by the prime factorization we get 180 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So we see here they both are in pair, but 5 is not in pair. To make it perfect square, it must be multiplied by 5. So hence required number (180 into 5). Here 180 into 5, it will become 900. 900 is the answer of 17. So now I'm going to solve question number 18. So question number 18, find the least square number which is exactly divisible by each of the numbers 8, 12, 15 and 20. So the least number divisible by each one 8, 12, 15 and 20 is their LCM. Now LCM of 8, 12, 15 and 20. So let's do LCM of 8, 12, 15 and 20. So here 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 12 and 2 10 is 20. 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6 and 2 5 is 10. So So now here 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15, and 5 is written here. And now 5, 2, 1, 5 1 is 5, and 5 1 is 5. Then we calculate it. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 2. So we multiply it, it will become 120. Now here so then we do 120 by the prime factorization method. By 60 chance 30, 15, and 3 5 is 15, 5 1 is 5. Then by prime factorization method, we get 120, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So here only 2 are in pair, but not 2, 3, 5. They are not in pair. So here
Then तुम क्या सेट करो 20 होता है बस
so here to make it perfect square, we multiply so here 2 into 3 into 5, then we get 30. Hence required number equal to, we multiply 120 into 30. Then we get 36,000. It is the answer of 80. If you like my video, then please subscribe and don't forget to share to your friends. Thank you.